Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if the WSL register distribution failed. It says that the LxSS Manager service supports running native ELF binaries. The service provides the infrastructure necessary for ELF binaries to run on Windows. If the service is stopped or disabled, those binaries will no longer run. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should go back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Keep export range at all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external drive. And if you ever needed to restore back from the backup, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set. Go ahead and double click on that. Double click on services and then locate the LxSS Manager. So again, LxSS. You can also just left click on one of these random folders and start typing it. And you can see the folder is listed here. If you need to pause the video and take note of the file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under to get to this point. So now on the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area. Select New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Type in start, S-T-A-R-T, and hit enter. If you already see a value in here that says start, you can just keep it and then just double click on this value. So again, if there's already a start value over here on the right panel, you don't have to change anything. And you want to change this value data to 2. So delete the 0 or whatever number is in here and type the numerical number 2 and then select OK. Once that's done, you can close out of the registry editor, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.